Hello friends, welcome. 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, we come online to give you all the updates about our blogs, our tutorials, whatever the video tutorials we are going to upload, and what you have updated previous 1 or 2 days, that all the updates we give you. I hope you are all enjoying our video tutorials and blog post also, and if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, any improvement plan, feel free to ask in the comment section, or you can post it here also. I just came to give you just 5 to 10 minutes update. So every day almost I come for 5 minutes to give you all the updates what you have planned. And in this, yesterday we have discussed about the dynamic addition of the records or filtering of the records. So the scroll bar can take the value and update itself. And also we have discussed how you will be filtering the data. So less number of rows and all. To that, now we have added also our TTK bootstrap. So that design gives you a modern look to the app. So that also we have explained, and that video will be uploading it most likely tomorrow. You will get out. Let me just quickly take you to that page. But after that, I will also show you how to work on the mutual fund data NAV, how to retrieve and develop application using that. If you are a investor, you must be using some applications where your daily portfolio, your values of the mutual fund and all, you are getting it. Now that how you will get it from the regularly and build your even your investment, how it is growing, the apps what you are using, how they are working, you can understand it better. Before that, let me just quickly show you about the scroll one. Let me just take you here for search filter. Here it is. This is what you have. Okay, I think you can, yeah. Here you see, this one is there in the description below. This yesterday we discussed also. Below that you can see the modern interface TTK bootstrap what we have added. This video is going to come up tomorrow. So all the details will be there. Now I want you to read this particular one. Another one, this is the real-time financial data, how you will retrieve from mutual fund NAVs. Note that I am not a investment advisor or anything. I don't have much knowledge on that. But these technical aspects I want you to focus. So if you have a mutual fund or anything invested, you can track the value from your how the fund value is changing. Every day evening, this AMFI or Association of Mutual Fund in India, they publish the data. That data you can take it to your Python application and create many such small or big applications. This is the part 1 of it. Please study this, because once you study this, subsequently we'll take this data to a Kinter application and use the database to store it. So it will be a full-fledged application like your whatever you use now in the market. Plenty of applications are there which you can download and use. This is how the basics of it works. So this is what you have explained it here. Experiment with this. Here is a very simple code. First start with this. If you run it, it will give you the fund name. One sample fund we have taken it. With this fund, every fund has a unique code associated with it. So that fund, what is the NAV, you get it. Now imagine that you suppose you have invested in 3 to 4 mutual funds. Now every mutual fund will have a code. So what happen every day, once the market closes, your application will go to the AMFI website, AMFI, that mutual fund, pull the NAV data, take it out, store it, and you must have the invested units, number of units, multiply it and tell you how your investment has changed today. Whether what was the previously, what it is. You can also plot some graphs and all, say historic, how this fund has performed. All this financial analysis will include it. We will study slowly. So I request you just study this part today, so you can get all the ideas. Here initially it's a very simple code, this much only, 10 lines of code. This just passes your we have taken one sample, one fund, you have taken it here, then we get back what is the NAV on which date and the fund name. That you have second part, we have extended it. We have just, you can see here how the schemes we have taken. Now you may ask me where I will get all this scheme data. I will show you below, the links are all there. So you can just read this part. It takes multiple scheme names and gives you a output. Simple code only, and here the output format, here you can see it. Was this in this format a particular scheme? Because we have three only schemes we asked. So what is the NAV, on which date the value is? So you will get it. Now we can store this in a database, monitor it over a time, plot a graph, all those things we will do. Subsequently, if you can just say what is your investment value, this NAV, net asset value, multiplied by number of units you have, that is gives you a current value. And here all the links to download. Suppose you want a structured data of all the mutual funds and all, use this. This will give you a CSV file. Similarly, daily reports and all, you can just visit the AMFI portal and get the data. So this is what we will be focusing, is working on the technicalities of the Python code to get the data from this AMFI website based on our requirements. Say sometime we may get the total data, a scheme wise, or a group of mutual funds, we can take it, fetch all the data and loop it. So and further, once we have the NAV value, we can also multiply it by number of units we held, so that will give us the total investment. So that we will see in the subsequently. So this week, this is the focus. So my request is, please study this. This URL is there in the description below. Meanwhile, finish studying this one. So we'll have a much better applications, a blog post. Then you can, any point of time, you can download the source codes on our blog, it is there, and video tutorials will explain you about how this works and what is the output, all the criticality. Still, if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, anything, feel free to ask it below the tutorials and below the, you can in this live session also. Let me just, yeah, you can, still you have any further ideas to improve or anything to do it and work more on the mutual fund platform or anything, you feel free to ask the questions, we'll work together. And moreover, this today is, though it's a Sunday, I have come online to explain to you, because this is what you are going to come up mostly in the coming week. So you can focus on that. Let me just see meanwhile if any questions or anything. That's all, friends. Nothing special is there. Hope you will enjoy this, and don't forget to hit the like button and you subscribe to us, our channel, to regularly get the updates and all video tutorials, details and all, if you have not done so. And tell your friends also to join, and don't forget 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time we come live also, and we post our video tutorials blog post also. Hope you are all enjoying, and you will join me tomorrow also 7:30 p.m. with your friends also. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. Mm-hmm.